In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "your connection is not secure" error on Blogger. This issue can be frustrating when you're trying to create a seamless and secure experience for your blog readers. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a few methods to resolve this problem efficiently. First, we're going to enable HTTPS in Blogger. Start by signing in to your Blogger account. Once you've logged in, you'll need to select the specific blog you're experiencing issues with. After selecting your blog, navigate to the settings section of your Blogger dashboard. Here you'll find a section labeled HTTPS. You want to make sure you have HTTPS availability turned on. This is critical as it enables the secure connection over HTTPS. Additionally, ensure that you've toggled on HTTPS redirect. This option is essential as it automatically redirects all of your site traffic from HTTP to HTTPS, ensuring that visitors always land on the secure version of your site. Give it a few minutes for these settings to take full effect. Now let's move on to the next method, which involves checking your custom domain. This step is crucial if you are using a custom domain for your blog. Head back into the settings, then navigate to the publishing section. Here you need to ensure that your custom domain is connected without any hiccups. One common issue is the domain connection not being fully established, so make sure everything is in place. Pay careful attention to your DNS records. They must match precisely the values provided by Blogger. It's a meticulous process, so double check everything. If you have recently updated your DNS settings, remember that these changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate throughout the web. Patience is key, so give it some time if you've made any recent updates. Lastly, let's address the issue of mixed content. This problem arises when your pages load resources over HTTP, rather than the secure HTTPS, causing them to be marked as insecure. Take a moment to thoroughly check your blog for any non-HTTPS resources like images, JavaScript files, CSS files, fonts, and embedded videos. Even when you've set your site to use HTTPS, these elements can still create security warnings if they aren't also served over HTTPS. If you've recently installed a new theme or customized your Blogger theme, you'll want to adjust a few more settings. Go to the Theme tab and click on Edit HTML. Here, you'll want to use the search function to look for URLs starting with HTTP and replace them with HTTPs wherever possible. Once you've made these changes, save the theme and reload your site to ensure it functions correctly. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the "your connection is not secure" error on Blogger. Remember, ensuring your site is secure is essential not only for protecting your data, but also for building trust with your audience. Thanks for watching, and good luck.